For start diagnostic session, we need a laptop with actual version of software EDC Diag version 5 and diagnostic complex DK-5. And now we connection DK-5 complex to POBD socket. And to USB port of laptop. Then we switch on ground switch and switch on ignition switch. Now we are going to EDC Diag software, and we can see a list of ECU, model ECU and basic software in the main window. Now we make a connection with ECU with connect disconnect to ECU button. In this list we have a version of electronic control unit, of model of engine, and version of software for ECU. Now we need P765 version 131. ECU EDC 7 and make a connection with this ECU. In this line we have a connection status. Connecting now. Reading parameters. And we go to the identifiers window. In this window we can see a version of dataset in ECU, version of MMZ engine, version of the tractors, and version of the base software. For example, we have some mistakes, some error in the electronic control system. For diagnostic this error, we go to diagnostics window, and then we refresh parameters for show this error code and error description to this window. Now we have manufacturer code 1070 and description of error path of metering unit PWM power stage open circuit. This error means that connector in the fuel high pressure regulator on the high pressure fuel pump is disconnected. Now we can delete this error, but now this error is inactive, and we can't delete this error in external memory of electronic control unit. When we repair this disconnection between wire and high pressure regulator, we must to delete this error from electronic control unit memory and refresh this window for show that this error write delete from ECU memory. After this, we can see main parameters of working electronic control system of engine. In this window, we can see main parameters of working electronic control system, such as accelerator pedal position. We can check percent of
the pressure
pedal position in digital view and graphic view. Atmospheric pressure, boost air pressure, coolant temperature, fuel temperature, fuel pressure in rail, low fuel pressure, and synchronization status. So also we have other main parameters in numeric button 5, 6, 7 and other. Main advantages of this diagnostic complex are full list of electronic control system parameters and full description of error. And further we will demonstrate main parameters of electronic control system after engine start.
Accelerated pedal position, coolant temperature,
boost pressure,
fuel temperature, and the main start parameter, synchronization between camshaft position sensor and crankshaft position sensor. Synchronization status 48.
давление воздуха в пуском трубопроводе.
Also we can to show other main parameters like atmospheric pressure, boost air pressure, boost air temperature.
Fuel, топливо, расход.
So also we can to check oil pressure, fuel pressure in rail and low fuel pressure. So now we can check error list, refresh this window, and now we can see that we haven't error in the system. And now we demonstrate most important parameters of electronic control system working. Now we start engine. And show boost air pressure in idle engine speed must be about 1 bar. Low fuel pressure must be about 700 kPa on all speed of engine.
And sensor synchronization status must be 48. At the mode of high speed of engine, booster air pressure must be more than 1 atmosphere bar.